Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
so good afternoon, all of you. Myself, Purna, Applied Electronics and Instrumentation from Rajagiri School of Engineering and Technology, will be the moderator for this final session. So, on behalf of the IQAC and the Department of Mechanical Engineering, I welcome you all to this validatory session of this AICT-sponsored short-term training program on outcome-based education for technical institutions, Phase 2, outcome-based education and autonomy. So we started this program with a very engaging session by Dr. H.S. Guruprasad, who is a professor and dean from BMS College of Engineering, Bangalore. And over the course of these 6 days, we had the opportunity to listen to and get enlightened by talks from many faculty, many renowned faculty from throughout the country. And also, despite all the challenges posed by the corona pandemic, we were still able to conduct this program with very minor technical glitches. So we are very thankful and grateful for that. And I should say that the participation for any FDP, and especially for an online FDP, the participation from the audience is what makes the program a huge success. For this session, for this short-term training program, we were happy that we had good participation from all of the audience. So I would like to take this validity session as an opportunity for you guys to share your feedback or any suggestions for improvement. Whatever you have to share, you can share it now. So I request the participants to share your experience or share your feedback with us. You can unmute your mic and say. Anyone, just 1 or 2 words on how you felt regarding the conduct of the program? Was it useful for you guys? Any feedback?
Hello.
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Hello, I'm Indu from GCET, Galgotia College, Greater Noida. Would like to congratulate the whole organizing team for the excellent management of what has turned out to be a successful and highly stimulating learning. We have learned a lot about OB from the 6-day wonderful short-term training program from all amazingly good resource person, and it is really informative. Thank you so much for your support and making sure everything was superbly organized. Everything worked brilliantly outstanding. Thank you for your gracious professionalism. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Any others who would like to share?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. You're
I'm Princey from Government Engineering College, Idiki, Kerala. I would just like to say the course was very informative and very useful. I would like to thank all of our RSET team for all of these good FDPs that you are conducting. This is, I think, my third FDP from RSET. Thank you so much
for your participation.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Please.
I'm Sushma Patil from Army Institute of Technology, Pune.
Yes, ma'am. You're audible, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, right. I just wanted to say that it was very nicely conducted, excellent information shared, and especially the information regarding outcomes, that is a program outcome and course outcome. It seems to be really confusing when we are working on it, but it was very, very nicely explained by all the resource people. So I would personally like to thank everyone and especially the team for organizing this FDP on a topic which is required by everybody, every college. So I would like to congratulate the whole team and thank everyone once again. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Any others?
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please, sir.
Good evening. This is Dr. P. Sundar Kumar
Yes,
from
sir.
Baba Training College, the professor, as well as I am convener IQAC. First of all, please accept my sincere congratulations on such successful event. The STP outcome-based education for technical institute-based outcome-based education at autonomy was very well organized, both logical in terms of concepts like reports, panels, discussions, practical oriented, the connection of the faculty and resource persons. It is a wonderful experience for me. The level and diversity of discussions were outstanding. We have just right mix of subjects, people and time. I learned a lot and made some new contents. Really, thank you. Thank you for giving the opportunity for sharing the few words. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. I think one more person who would like to say can share now. Okay. So thank you all for giving such good feedback regarding our short-term training program. I thank on behalf of IQAC and Department of Mechanical Engineering. Now I would like to call Dr. Manoj G. Tarian, sir, the coordinator of this short-term training program, to propose the vote of thanks. Please, sir.
Thank you, Purnima. Good afternoon to you all. At the onset, I would like to thank the All India Council for Technical Education and the management and principal of Rajagiri School of Engineering and Technology for giving us this opportunity to organize the short-term training program on outcome-based education for technical institutions. For this short-term training program, we have tried our best to have the best resource persons so that the program becomes fruitful. I would like to express my sincere thanks to all the resource persons in their absentia, Dr. Guru Prasad and Dr. Shambhavi from BMS College, Bangalore, Dr. S. Bhaskar from Tyagaraja College of Engineering, Dr. P. Kulkarni from SDM College, Dharwad, then Dr. Shanmuganandi and Dr. G. Janardhanan from NITTR Chennai for sharing their valuable knowledge through this short-term training program. As Dr. Purnima has already mentioned, the key ingredient for the success of a short-term training program is the active participation of the faculty. In this pandemic situation, as Dr. Janardhanan has mentioned in his lecture, the faculty all over the country is doing a wonderful job carrying out their duty online. In spite of this busy schedule, you all have actively participated this short-term training program and made this program a success. I place on record my sincere thanks to all the participants who have attended this short-term training program. Regarding the organization of this short-term training program, the credit for the successfully organizing this short-term training program, of course, as mentioned, goes to the wonderful organizing team we have at Rajagiri School of Engineering and Technology. It was really wonderful and I thoroughly enjoyed working in this team, as part of this team. I thank all the team members, which includes faculty members from various departments, the members of RSoft. Also, I would like to specifically mention Professor Manu Joseph, Dr. Purnima, Professor James Matthew, who have coordinated the sessions effectively and also communicated with the participants. This short-term training program we had was phase 2 of the 3 short-term training programs, which is being conducted on outcome-based education for technical institutions. Now, the phase program will be from 10th of December to 16th of December. In phase 3, we'll be covering the mentoring, role of IQAC in engineering institutions, then accreditations, especially NBA accreditation and ABET accreditation. So I invite all of you for this short-term training program, which will be conducted from 10th of next month, December. Also, please encourage your colleagues to participate in this short-term training program. The flyers and the registration details will be sent to you by mail shortly. Short-term training program. It will be sent to you by mail by Wednesday. As we had already mentioned that certificates will be issued only to the candidates who have successfully completed the program with minimum pass mark for the assessment and also satisfying the attendance criteria. If you don't receive your certificate by Thursday, you may contact us. Once again, thank you all and wish you all the best. Thank you. I remain.
Thank you, sir. I once again thank all the participants and all the faculty colleagues at Ratchagiri School of Engineering and Technology, the coordinators of the program. Thank you all. So thank you all for joining. So I think we can end the program now. Thank you once again.